Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, my dear students, my little friends? Hope you all are good with the best of your health and enjoying the winter. This is our social studies class. I am your subject teacher, and this is our lecture number 18 of final term. Hope you all have your books with you. This is your social studies book. Today we are going to read Unit 7, Important Places. The lesson number 16 and the name is same as the unit's name, Important Places. Let's see what they are telling in this lesson about which type of places. Let's start reading. All of you read with me very carefully. In every town and village, there are some important places. These are the mosques, churches, temples, markets, schools, banks, hospitals, and post offices. Railway stations and airports are also important places. Understand, children, what are these important places in each and every town and village, in every country, everywhere in this world, even it's a small place or a big, it's a small country or a big country, small town or a big cities, we have these common places in each and every village, town, cities. These are mosques. You know what is mosque, churches, and temples? These are the places for worship. Mosques means masjid for Muslims, churches, the worship place for Christians, and temples, house of worshippers for Hindus. And the markets, as you know, if you want to buy something, your clothes, your edibles, your shoes, your stationery, your bags, then you have to go to the markets to buy things from there. And school is an important place from where you get the knowledge, and the banks where we have to put our money to keep safe. Then the hospitals, when we are sick, we used to go there and take medicine, and post offices, same like railway stations and airports, are also important places which are present in each and every town and villages. Let's see, I will show you the pictures of some important places. As you can see, these are the picture of masjids. All of you knew this is the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is in Makkah al-Mukarramah, Masjid al-Haram. It's a very important and sacred place for all the Muslims. This is the house of worshippers. We go there and worship and pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, perform tawaf and then perform umrah. And then the Muslims from all over the world come here to perform Hajj every year. And this is, as you know, the Masjid al-Nabawi in Medina al-Munawwara, also in Saudi Arabia. It's so sacred for us. And this is the Badshahi Mosque at Lahore in Pakistan. So we have different styles of masjid, different types, different sizes of masjids in all the world, even in the Muslim countries or in non-Muslim countries. If there are Muslims, then there are masjid to perform salah. Okay, these are the pictures of banks. As you can see, National Bank of Pakistan. This is the building of National Bank of Pakistan. This is Al Rajahi Bank. I hope you all already recognized it. This is the bank in Saudi Arabia, and you can see this signboard everywhere in your city. This is National Bank of Egypt. So in every country, in every city, we have banks. Now then we have markets. Look, what's this? It's a jewelry mall. Yes, it's in our city, it's in Taif. And it's a market from where you can buy all the things, whatever you want. There are different kinds of shop and you enjoy here a lot. This is the fruit market and this is the fish market. We call these places markets. Then we have hospitals. In each place, there should be one or two hospitals to provide medicines, to provide care and cure of the diseases. This is Al Mustashfa Al Malik Faisal. It's a Faisal hospital here in Taif. It's the building of King Faisal Hospital, and it's another hospital in somewhere else. So hospitals are also very important places in each and every town, village, or cities. Then this is a school, important place, very, very, very important place. Oh, look at this, our lovely school. Inshallah, we will be there soon all together and study there. This is our school building, and this is post office, Saudi Post. As you can see, these places in every cities. Now then we have airports and railway station. Railway stations are like this, where we have a platform. The trains come, stop, passengers come down and move in, then move from one place to another. And same like the aeroplanes, all of you knew about the airports, that when we want to travel from one country to another or one place to another place, we go to the airports and travel through aeroplanes. And if we want to travel through trains, then we go to the railway station. Okay. Okay, good. Back to your page number 46, your book page number 46. We will continue reading. Let's go start reading. Now, the market. A market is a busy place. It is where people come to buy and sell goods. Goods mean things. There are many small shops or stalls in a market. In a big market, there are many kinds of shops. Like Jewelry Mall, it's a big market or a big mall where you can find many kinds of shops. You can buy food, clothes, machines, tools, books, toys, and many other things. Some markets sell only one type of thing. In a fish market, you can buy all kinds of seafood. In a meat market, you can buy different kinds of meat, like chicken, like beef, like mutton. These type of you can find different type of meats in a meat market. In a fruit and vegetable market, you can buy only fruit and vegetables. You can see here it's a fruit shop and it's a fish market. Some markets are held once a week. Farmers and traders bring their goods to the market. People come to the market to do their weekly shopping. Understand? Other beside these fish market, fruit markets, malls, grocery stores, we have some, in some places, there are some weekly markets where farmers and traders bring their goods, bring their things to sell. Look, this is the market like Hyper Panda. Favorite place of yours, right? You enjoy a lot there. When you go with your parents to buy grocery, look, these are the big markets from where we can buy groceries. And then these type of markets are weekly market, from where trader bring their things to sell like this. And these markets, and they put some shades in some empty grounds, or sometimes on the side of the roads. They make such type of markets and sell their homemade things, handicrafts, and different types of things. These are the weekly markets. They are not permanent. Okay. Okay. Now on page number 47, see what they are telling us here. Okay, about the post office. The post office. A post office is a place from where you can send postcards, greeting cards, documents, important papers. What are documents? Documents means important papers, and parcels. This is called mail. You can also buy stamps and special envelopes at a post office. You can use these to send letters through the post. Nowadays, if you wish to send the message to some of your friends or relatives, then you send the message through your cell phones, or you send them an email by the use of internet. But before the emergence of the internet, people used to send messages by post office. They write letters on the paper, fold it, put it into the envelope, put a stamp like this on that envelope, and then put it on a post box. Then from here, let's see, we will see the procedure. When you send a letter, you have to put a stamp on the envelope. Then you must put the letter in a post box. A postman will collect the letter from the post box. All the letters are sorted at the post office. From this post box, a postman come, take out all the letters and take them to the post office, and there they sorted, means maybe inside this box there are letters for different countries. Someone like to send letters to America, some like to send in United Kingdom, some like to send in Egypt, in Pakistan, Bangladesh, wherever they want. They put the letters here, but in the post office, then they sorted all the letters separately according to the countries, and then sent to the people to whom they are addressed. Understand, children, how the post office work? And nowadays, the use of mail sending by post office become less because of the internet. We send messages on WhatsApp, on messengers, and on email. We send our messages by using our cell phones. But before the mobiles phone, before the cell phones, we used to send messages through post office. Also, we can send the different parcels like this through the post office. But if we want to send the parcels, we do not put these into the post box. We must visit the post office, and then from the post office we can send these type of big parcels. Letters are small, so we can put it into the box, but parcels through the post office. Okay, here our lesson is finished. Now we will do the question answer. Let's see. Is there a market near your house? What does it sell? C. Is there a market near your house? What does it sell? Yes, there is a big market near my house. It sells groceries. Groceries means the things which we use every day, like bread, milk, fruits, vegetables. So, is there a market? Yes, there is a big market near my house. It sells groceries. Question number 2. Make a list of 8 things you can buy there. Bread, rice, sugar, tea, milk, biscuits, ice cream, and fruits. Question number 3. Have you been to a post office? Why? Yes, once I visited post office with my father to send a parcel. If you never visited, then your answer would be like this. No, I never visited the post office. Okay. How do you think? Does the post office send and receive the mail? The post office sends and receives mail by air and by road. These are the 4 questions. Here are the answers. You have to write them in your notebook with a good writing. As I told you every day, all letters should be of equal size and there should be space between the words. Okay, children? Good. Write these in your notebooks. Now we will move towards the work page. What we have here, exercise A, write a friend's address on this envelope. Make a special stamp to stick on the envelope. You can make you can say it's a fun for you that you can make envelope by the paper. I will show you here that how can you put the stamp and write the address. Let's see. This is the stamp of Pakistan. You put it here at this place and you can write the address like this. Whatever the address of your friend, you can write like this. We must write the full address about house number, the area, city, and then country. Okay, good. Now in exercise B, here are some other important places. Can you name them? Yes, I will tell you. What's this? I think the Pakistani students knew it. It's a Faisal Masjid, Islamabad. It's in Pakistan. The capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad, and in Islamabad there is this beautiful mosque, beautiful masjid, and its name is Faisal Masjid. And this is the place. This is in Karachi, and it's a bank's building, and its name is Habib Bank. It's in Karachi. It's a building of Habib Bank. The name of the bank is Habib. And this is the public school. You have to write this name in your work page. Okay, children? Now we have some MCQs that you have to learn for your exams, and these question answers also you must learn. Let's see the MCQs. In fish market, you can buy all kinds of dash, seafood, clothes, or machines. Yes, in fish market, you can buy seafood. The dash are sorted at the post office. Money, gift, or letters. Letters are sorted at the post office. Tash is a busy place. Market. Faisal Masjid is in Islamabad. I told you in previous page that Faisal Masjid is in the capital city of Pakistan. It is Islamabad. Okay, children? Write these MCQs in your notebook and memorize them. Okay? Okay, that's all for today. Take care of yourself.